Good morning. Welcome to e-lectures provided you by DV Thermal. As you all know, we have discussed this lesson Monkey Trouble by author Ruskin Bond in previous videos. Today, we will discuss question answer of this lesson. Now we will discuss questions given at the back of the chapter in your book. First question is, how was grandmother convinced to keep Tutu as a pet? And the answer is, grandmother was convinced by grandfather to keep Tutu as a pet because grandfather knew that his wife had a weakness for girls and had always wanted to have a girl in the house. So he took advantage of the situation by telling her that Tutu was a she monkey because grandmother always believed that girls were less troublesome than boys. Now, second question is, why did the narrator follow Aunt Ruby and Rocky secretly to the jeweler's shop? What reason did Tutu have following them? The narrator followed Aunt Ruby and Rocky secretly as Aunt Ruby had warned him against accompanying them. Tutu followed them as she thought that a mission of some importance was underway. And the third question is, why did the people in the bazaar chase Tutu? Answer is, the shopkeeper, Rocky and the narrator chased Tutu in the bazaar because she was wearing a precious necklace, but most of the people who were standing in the shop chased them without knowing what was going on, what had happened. Next is, what did Tutu do with the necklace? How was it restored to the shopkeeper? First part is, Tutu removed the necklace from her neck and threw it in the small canal, and it was restored to the shopkeeper as Rocky helped him to find out the necklace. Now the fifth question is, why do you think some guests were not seen for several days after the marriage? As you all know, Tutu had added all sorts of herbs and spices to the cake and had spoiled it. Some guests were not seen for several days after the marriage. They might have stomachache after eating the wedding cake of unusual taste because Tutu gave a peculiar flavor to the cake. Now, next question is for high order thinking skills, that is HOTS. Question is, some animals have a sharp mind. They amaze us by their actions. Do you think they are able to think in the right direction? Why? Why not? As we all know, there are many animals which have a sharp mind, but among them, dog is the best. It is known for its skill and ability. That's why we also have army dog squads in army. Dogs are also trained for assisting elders. Similarly, we can train dolphin and chimpanzees also because they have also sharp mind and they can be trained for various activities. Now your homework is write word meaning and question answer in your English notebook neatly and learn them. Have a good day. Thank you.